Hello, beautiful people. Flat illustration it is today. So, we are going to do this with our very own Mr. Mouse. For those who guys don't have a Wacom or Procreate, don't worry, I got you covered, guys. For guys who have been doing this for a very long time, uh, please put your links in the comments. I would like to learn from you guys as well, and do stick around with the video. Hope there is some learning for you guys too. So, what do you guys think about illustrations? Are they addictive? Do let me know in the comments. I feel it is. Uh, you just can't wait till the final result, and the process is so amazing. Each step feels like a blessing, and it's so good. But a lot of this deep meditation experiences, deep state of peace, is has its downsides as well. Uh, like back pain, neck pain, red, dry eyes. Lol, I've been facing this back pain since 6 months, and now it is so hard to get rid of it. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys face any issues like this? And by the way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to do a better job. Let's make some fun little things together at little by little. Lol, brand name plugin. I thought that I'm going to finish talking like 10 minutes, and this is just done for 2 minutes, right? No worries, let's go and continue with this video. Yo! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do come next week. Also, tell your friends about it if it's helpful for them too. And see you next week. Bye bye.